A great morning to everyone. I'm Dipanshu with my cameraman Golu, and here we are in the Madangir. And today we have a very special topic to discuss, and we are today doing a ground reporting. And here we will get to know about the opinions, point of view of an individual. Here on the television, we don't get to see this because you know that many news channels are there who are known for Modi media or Godi media as well. So that's why here we go. Here we will go to personally individual, and they will get to know about their opinion as well. And the topic for today is youth and their unemployment, and that can be employment as well. So we will get to know about their opinions. So let's get started with the person. This. Hello, sir.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. And are you wandering here? So is there any work?
Yes, I'm just roaming there. I was just having no fun. I was just having just a couple of times, so I'm just here to spend some time.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Actually, we are here with my cameraman, and we are from
Right.
NDTV News. So,
Okay.
are you ready to reply our answers?
Sure.
So here we are covering the footage, even the news is. So what do you think about the youth and the unemployment of them?
So if I talk about the youth and the unemployment, yes, we get to see that it is increasing day by day, and the population of India, it's become the largest population of India in the world. So definitely we are facing a lot of problem in terms of the education and in terms of the employment. For example, if I talk about the youth of the India, that they are actually not busy with their technology. They are not able to understand what is actually skills. If they are having a skill, so definitely they are not going to face unemployment problem. But what is going on in the market, that they are actually addicted towards the unnecessary things,
Yeah.
unnecessary stuff.
That's good. You gave the answer. But I'm asking that what do you think that what the youth are doing nowadays, because of that they are not getting the employment?
The first is they are busy with their mobile phone. My first mobile.
Do you use your mobile phone?
Yes, I do.
And
I
so
do, but
how can you say this?
I usually watch those kind of content which is really important for my future. I don't use those kind of content which is not relevant for my future, even that.
Okay. So
Yes.
what job do you do?
I do working in multinational company.
Yeah. And
I-
are you satisfied with that?
I am not satisfied. I am also looking forward for the another opportunities.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for your time. So here we talked about about the point, and here he said us that I'm not happy. I'm doing work in the MNC company, and there are many dreams which are founded to have a job in MNC, but still the person is not satisfied, not happy. So we will carry on our point, and we'll start it with yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
So here we came here in the morning, but now it's evening now. So we are with the cameraman. Are you happy with the cameraman, or are you
Yeah.
you don't have any problem, right?
No.
So we are live on NDTV. So we are asking about the youth and their unemployment. So do you have any opinion about this?
Yes, of course. As we see, the population are increasing day by day, but the employment are not there. There are many students who are preparing for government's exam, but still they are not getting the job. They are not getting the selection in the government seat just because of leaking of the paper. The government leak the paper every year. This is also also wrong.
So what if the seats are limited? So how everyone can get a job in the
Yes,
government?
Seat is limited, but if the paper will leak every year, how it can be beneficial for the student who are preparing for UPSC, for NEET, for JEE? It is not beneficial. So this is the
Okay. So are you preparing for any job, or you are just
Yes, I am preparing for NEET.
NEET?
Yes.
So in what standard are you?
I am in 12th right now.
So you will give your NEET exam,
Yes.
right? So what preparation you are facing? What problem, you are facing to have NEET
First
exam cleared?
major is competition. Competition is increasing day by day. Before we have only 10 lakhs.
Do you know the recent case where NEET exam was leaked?
Yes, I know about.
So what motivation, what things you got from that?
I think that at that time we don't have prepared the students who are preparing, they are not getting the marks, but those who have money, they are just giving the money. After that they are getting marks. This is also good. So how can we prepare, how can we
So can we say that this is a system failure of our Indian
yes,
government?
of course it is a system failure.
So what advice do you want to give them?
The thing, you should check your system, you should check on the paper, you should check your things, what are you preparing, you should check, you should not be corrupted. Like there are many officers who are corrupted and they leak the paper just for the money. So this
Okay,
is
thank you for your time. So here, as we discussed to her, Srishti, and she said that it is a fault of system where the government is not working properly, and they are cheating, they are leaking the paper. So this is not the fault of people, youth directly. So yeah, now we'll come to another one who is looking good to be asked questions. Yes. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Actually, we are live on NDTV and he is my cameraman. So, are you happy with the camera?
Of course, yes. It's looking fine.
So, I asked this question because many come here with their someone. So, that's why I don't think so. Everyone is satisfied as you are. So, we will begin this. So, I am asking the question about youth and their unemployment. So, do you think that this is right or youth are getting totally employment?
See, this is very important to discuss about the unemployment, especially in India, because we are almost 1.5 billion. Means population. Means almost we are on the top of the table.
Right.
And it is very important to discuss about the unemployment rate. It is increasing day by day, and we need to discuss also address this too. And if I talk about the youth are copying others. First, this is my main motto to speak in front of the camera, that youth are copying. They are not finding their interest. In which they find their interest, they are not focusing. For example, you are means you are reporting. It means you have interest to do reporting. I have an interest to speak in front of camera. But what the others are doing, they are copying others. This is on the other hand that they are preparing themselves for competitive exam. Competitive exams are good, but they also means they must have also the alternative.
Yeah, backup plan.
Yeah, backup plan, as you said, the backup plan. But they are not preparing. They just want to have only the one government job. Government job cannot fulfill all things, all the dreams. We have limited resources. We also need to address ourselves that we can do many things. There are many things to do, but in India we have seen that everyone is copying. This is my
Okay, as you said that people should not copy, means you
Yeah.
should not copy. So in the 11th and 12th standard, in the government school, the EMC period, you know about that?
What does stand for?
Yeah, entrepreneurship mindset curriculum.
Yeah.
So there the students are given 2,000 rupees per head. So what do you think? Is this a good opportunity for them or they are consuming that for their personal use?
See, government can try as much as possible, because government is trying to at least give or build a confidence level in the students. If they are capable to build their empower or any company or any small organization, so they must start. While although it is not possible to start any company or business in just 2,000 rupees, but they can try. After this some results, because results are not in our hand, we can just try. We can just put our input, and whatever we get, this can be the possible.
Any message do you want to give to youth?
A youth, I want to just say that find your interest and do whatever your parents demand for yourself, and also keep focusing towards future.
Yeah,
Thank you.
So here as we talked to Kushal, and he spoke about the copying others. So he's saying somewhere right, because we should not copy to one path. We should make our own path where we can be a boss, where we can be an owner, a kind of business. So he's saying this. So now let's come to the another one who's interested to speak about this. Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So we are good too. Thank you for asking. This is our cameraman, and here we are covering the footage. Are you comfortable with the camera?
No.
No. So here, thank you for your time. Here we will go with ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you fine with the camera?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Yeah. So we are covering the footage, and we are from the NDTV. And here I'm asking about the youth. Do you know about the youth and what they are doing?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
About the jobs, businesses?
Yeah, I know the businesses.
Yeah. What do you think
So,
about business?
Businesses start for the I know the business and the and you ask them that sir
right.
about entrepreneurship. So, entrepreneurship start with the new idea, new things that not exit in this world,
Yes, yes.
something new. And business stand for like that business is already started, like I sell my clothes, I sell my something beauty products, so that's called also business.
Are you studying in the school?
Yes, I study.
So what do you think? What things should be there in your school? From what you can have good job or good business, you can get good business in upcoming time.
So I'm studying in 11th class and I'm pursuing commerce. So in commerce I study about the business and accounts. So business for a good job, teachers give a good knowledge towards the.
Are you taught the practical knowledge of business? Means your teachers teach you the practical knowledge, because theory we know, but how to do it practically is this also important.
So yeah, like you said, business blaster.
Yeah.
In my school having business blaster in November. So my team get 2,000 rupees for do business. So my friends and we thinking about a new idea. What we do something new
Right.
that not exist in this world, like something new for to help to poor pupils like that.
Thank you for your
you,
special
sir.
time, ma'am. So here, as we covered her, and she said about me, she is in the school. So according to her knowledge, according to her experience in this world, she spoke very right. That business is the important thing. And so this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. And I am the student of this institute. So let's end this video. And here, just don't take it serious. This was for education purpose, even for enjoyment. So I hope so you understood and you like this. Thank you for watching this video.